In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack lists tutorial, 5 minutes. First, open Slack and sign into your workspace. Make sure you're on the desktop app or web app so you have full access to lists. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen where Slack shows your channels and tools. Next, click the plus icon. This opens Slack's Create menu. From here, choose the option labeled List. Slack lists are designed for tracking tasks, requests, or anything you need to organize with your team, all without leaving Slack. Choose New List to get started. You'll see templates you can use, or you can start from a blank canvas. Templates are great if you want something pre-structured like a simple to-do or a lightweight project tracker. If you're unsure, pick blank. You can always adjust fields later. Give your list a clear, specific name so teammates instantly know what it's for. Adding an emoji can help it stand out in the sidebar and makes it easier to spot in search. Begin adding items to your list. Each item represents a task, idea, or request. Type a concise title, press enter, and keep going to capture your backlog quickly. You can open any item to add more details later. If you add something by mistake, delete it or edit it in place. Drag items to reorder them so the most important work stays at the top. Now customize the fields so the list fits your workflow. Common fields include status, due date, and owner, but you can adapt them to match how your team works. Clear, consistent fields make the list easier to scan and report on. To add more structure, click the plus at the end of the header row to create new columns. Popular choices include priority to indicate urgency, assignee to designate owners, and files to attach supporting documents. You can choose the field type, like single select for priority or people for assignee. Keep only what you need and drag columns to arrange them in a logical order. When your list starts to grow, organize how you view it. Sort by due date or priority to highlight what's next, and filter by assignee or status to focus on your slice of work. Collapse completed items to reduce noise and quickly review what's pending. Finally, click Share to make the list visible to specific people or a channel. Choose whether others can view or edit, and include a short message so everyone knows how you plan to use the list. That's it. Your team now has a single source of truth inside Slack.